Good morning, everyone. Hello, how's everybody doing today? So I went to Lowe's this morning and I went to the clearance and I found some plants that needed a new home. This one is a, let's see, a peace lily. Let me focus on that. This is from Lowe's. I have two peace lilies. One, two, they are both $1 each. That's one. That's the second one. Then I also picked up for 75 cents. I picked up a Cannonberry Delilah. I don't have my glasses. Maybe I can get it on camera for you. 75 cents for this little fella. Needs some TLC. Has some dead leaves. Wow, that just fell off. And some root bound. So I'm going to do my best to revive them. Then I also have a fern. You see that? Gonna clean these up a little bit and try and nurse them back to health. This is a bronze Venus fern. See, got some browns I gotta clean up. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. This lily I already cleaned up. As you can see, there's no dead leaves or anything. Well, here's one. I just pulled that out. There's no dead leaves or anything. I already fixed that one. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Okay. So I have my trusty little scissors. Trusty little scissors. And what I like to do is just kind of move it around. Bring you out some. And just, can you see this? Get a little closer. I just clip it. Next one. Try and make sure you get closest to the root as possible. Clip it. Okay, you get the idea. I'm gonna go around and just clean this up. Take the tag out. There's like 3 down here. Just one big snip. A few more on this one. And this is the peace lily. I only paid $1. Bargain. Okay, just making sure you can see this. I know everybody says, oh, please excuse my hands. I wash my hands a lot because of what's going on. So that's that. Get all the dead leaves out the bottom. And for $1, you can't beat it. It just needs a little TLC. A few more brown leaves over here. Get those out. Try and get as close to the bottom as possible. There we go. Next one. Okay. Let's see. Got some right here. You see that? Let's go in, snip it out. One in the middle. Let's snip that out. Careful. Okay. There you go. No more brown leaves. Just a little limp. I'm gonna give them a good watering and bring them back to life. Okay, now for this one, just gonna do the same thing. Just cut off all the brown and dead leaves. That one just pulled right off, you saw that? And then once again, these are from Lowe's. Another one just pulled right out. It's very easy. If you have some that are broken, I don't know, just snip it off. Any of them that are yellow. Are you seeing this? I'm so sorry. Just snip it off closest to the bottom. Now if you have any, just the tips, okay, just cut right below. You don't have to cut the whole thing off. Same thing right here, just cut below the yellow or brown spots. Just below. Okay, this is the cranberry baby, my 75-cent plant. And then we're gonna tackle the roots. Just gonna clean them up a little bit. I don't want to take it out the pot yet because I don't want to shock it any more than what I am doing right now. So those are the roots that have been snipped away. Okay, wait, let's snip these away. Okay. Inside, all the brown. Bottom, all the roots. Okay. Next one is the fern. Take that out for a moment. A lot of these overgrown leaves, we're just gonna snip those off. They will grow back. Just help the plant grow back faster. Of course, any brown leaves, just cut those. This is a fern, so you're gonna get long ones, but I'm just gonna cut all the brown ones out. Let's see, there's some more down in the middle. Can you see that? See those down in the middle? Like a bag gray hair. Just gonna snip those out. You see that? Pull it back a little bit. Snip those out. Let's see. Gonna cut some more out. Okay, now I have a little container from my takeout. It's good to keep these containers. They're really good for helping with stuff like this. So I'm just going to put my plants in. Most of them have the wicking string, so you can just sit them in here. That one doesn't have the wicking string. Sorry. This one has a wicking string, as well as this one. So I'm going to move all the leaves out of the way. Stick them in this container. Okay, you see that? I put them all in the container. They're all in there. You see that? Okay. So now I have a bottle of filtered water. If you have a filter, machine or something, it's better to give them filtered water to try and revive them. So And whatever goes down to the bottom, they can just wick it up. Just start off with a little bit. Water them really good. So now I just watered them. I'm going to wait about an hour to see how much water they wicked up. If they wicked everything up, then I'm going to give them a little bit more. If not, then we're done. And hopefully, not hopefully, I know they will survive. And thank you for watching. There'll be an update. Don't worry. Have a good day.